Picture this, soaring above traffic in a flying car built by the same brands dominating EVs. Chinese car makers like XPeng and Geely are racing to lead the flying car revolution, and it's closer than you think. Today on GadInsider, we're diving into this high-flying tech that could redefine travel. Stick around, you won't believe what's coming. GadInsider, your ultimate source for tech, gadgets, and the future of innovation. China's EV giants, think XPeng, Geely, and Hongqi, are now battling it out in the skies. After crushing it in the electric vehicle market, they're pouring millions into flying cars to solve urban traffic woes, with the low-altitude mobility market set to hit $486 billion by 2035. Let's unpack why this race is heating up. XPeng's leading the charge, showcasing a concept flying car that pairs with a six-wheeled van for ground transport. It's not just a stunt. XPeng's serious about urban air mobility, with plans for AI-powered navigation and vertical takeoff. They're betting big on this tech to stand out in a crowded market. Geely, the EV powerhouse, is also in the game, developing drone-like flying vehicles with their unit Hongqi. These aren't sci-fi dreams. China's government is pushing hard, forecasting a five-fold market growth by 2035. But high costs mean these cars won't be mainstream just yet. Why flying cars? Urban gridlock is a nightmare, and China's megacities need solutions. These vehicles promise to zip you over traffic, cutting commute times, but it's also about flexing tech muscle. Car makers like Chery and GAC are investing to show they're ahead of the curve. Don't expect to fly tomorrow. High costs and regulations mean we're years away from mass adoption. Still, XPeng's already testing prototypes, and posts on X say they're eyeing commercial launches by 2030. This is China saying, we're not just EV leaders, we're shaping the future. GadInsider fam, are you ready to ditch traffic for a flying car? Which brands got your vote? XPeng, Geely, or another player? Drop it in the comments. And if you're hyped for next-gen tech, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay locked into GadInsider.